Are you a storyteller looking to explore AI but don't know where to start? Welcome to the Future Fiction Academy, where we're giving creatives more control.
This is Class 101, which includes information about tokens and hyperparameters.
For a limited time, we are offering our free beginners lessons.
Class 102, we're going to be going over different models. We are also going to be talking about contextual usage,
Tailored to help fiction writers evolve from initial curiosity to creative mastery.
Class 103, which is terms of use, what some LLMs will allow and what they won't allow.
So take advantage of this special opportunity that offers over 2 hours of instructional videos at your fingertips.
There's a lot of different things here you can play with. The world is your oyster.
Embark on your AI storytelling journey today with 0 fees and unlimited potential. Future Fiction Academy. Ignite your imagination and write the future.